Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to find the methods which are included inside the library and how to also find what do these methods do, what is their action. For that, we need to first unzip these library zip files to get these folders, and inside the folders we will have two files. These two files, one is the H file, one is the CPP file. H file is a header file. Header file will include the list of all the methods or commands that we can use when we include this library. To see that list, we can double click it. First time when you open, you might have to associate this file to one of the programs in your computer, which is maybe Notepad or WordPad. I have associated them with Notepad. So when I open, I get this. And if you see, this is the list of all the methods which CurioFire Motor library has. Now, first method is the main method. The name of the main method is similar to the name of the library. And we know we use this method to create the instance of the library. We had used this method forward, in which we needed two arguments to be passed. One was SPDL, which was the speed of the left motor, and SPDR, which is speed of the right motor. We can understand the syntax of each of these methods here. How many arguments to be passed? We'll know from here. For example, vehicle stop method does not need any argument. Now we want to see what these methods do. For that, we will have to go to the CPP file. This is our main method, CurioFire Motor. While it creates the instance, it also sets the pin mode of all the pins which are required to be used. Then this left CLK method, it seeks one argument, which is speed, and it performs this action. Now what does this mean? You'll understand when we learn how to program in Arduino. Then we had used this method forward. It has this action. It rotates the left motor anti-clockwise and right motor clockwise. So by looking at these methods and what is the action inside these curly brackets for each method, we will be able to understand what these methods do and use them appropriately in our programs.